back to the channel, guys. Today's dyno day. Get the old bird fired up. We got about an hour and 15-minute drive till we get to SMG. Ready to rock and roll. All right, so we're heading out. I got my co-pilot Ralph here with me. I drop off my parents while I head out to Mendon. So we're at SMG now, and we're about to do the first hit. First hit, 460 horse. 499 pound of torque. Second hit. Stickies on the tires. Second rip. 473 horse, 549 foot-pound of torque. All right, so we're about to do a motor hit to see how much power I lost by pulling out to 6 degrees in timing. Alright, so we're on the way home from SMG. Very, very happy with the turnout today. Made decent power for 100 shot of nitrous. Very excited about it. Have not hit it yet. Traffic's too congested. And I think I'm going to tweak the nitrous controller just a little bit. It comes in real hard at the 3,000 RPM range. So I think I might up the RPMs a little bit to where it comes in. Maybe somewhere around like the 3,800 to 4,000 range. We'll see what happens. But other than that, thanks for watching. See you again next time.